How to fix Snapchat filter not working on Snapchat. Today guys, I have the solution how to solve and fix this problem. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. First you will just open the settings of your phone and you will go directly to apps or applications. And on apps or applications you will search just for Snapchat, and when you found it guys, just open it like this. And then you have to go to storage, and on storage guys you will go to the last button, clear data, click OK and go back and click on first tab, click OK, and then you will go back to your home page of your phone and go to Play Store and update Snap again. And that's it guys. I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.